So hey, yo, what's up YouTube, thanks for watching UB's World. It's me UB and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you all one of the best trick in Lightroom. Yes, this trick is one of the best. Like, you don't need to do all the editing like in Lightroom just by increasing contrast and brightness. It's a lot of stuff to do and you don't have much time to do that all things, and you want a direct preset so that you can just edit your videos within a single touch. Yes, that is a easiest way. You don't need to go to Chrome or YouTube, nothing. On Lightroom itself, within a single touch you can change your picture in any preset you want. Yes, watch the entire video to know, and if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and also do subscribe to my channel because I am bringing all this amazing content every week. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So this is really easiest way and easiest trick to do. So basically you just need to do is open Lightroom and add some of the pictures you want to edit, and yes, just select any of the pictures and just add it. And after when you successfully add it, you just need to go to discovery option in the top right corner, and there you will get thousands of images uploaded by users by editing on Lightroom itself. So it is basically preset. Also you can say it is a preset, and you can easily download their preset, but you need to know how to download it. So you just need to see or find whichever preset you like or the image you like, and after liking it you will get an movie or the slideshow like how the image was before and after some editing how the image was done. So yes, that is really cool. And if you want to set a preset, you just need to swipe up in the edit option, swipe completely down, and there you will get an option like set as preset or save as preset. And if you don't get that option, you can just click on top right corner, three dots, and there you will get. But all the image does not allow you to save the preset, so you just need to select any of the image that allows you to save preset. So later you just need to go to image, any of the image you want to edit, just swipe left from down, and then you will get a preset option. Just tap on it and you will get the saved preset over here. And later when you will select the preset, this is the images that are been edited. So yes, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching UB's World. I hope you all must have liked it. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and also do subscribe to my channel. So yes, let's meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and support me. Bye bye.